Avoid fake breakouts, the trading mistake that traps most beginners. That the market sometimes looks like it's giving you the perfect buying opportunity when it's actually setting a trap. It sounds unbelievable, but every single day, thousands of beginners traders lose money because they fall into this exact trap. The price breaks above a resistance level. Everyone gets excited. People rush to buy, and within a few minutes, the price falls back below the breakout. Their stop loss gets hit. If this has ever happened to you, stay with me until the end of this video because today we will understand what a fake breakout is, why it happens, and most importantly, how you can avoid getting trapped. Let's begin with a very simple example. Imagine a stock has been trading rupees below rupees 100 for several days. Every time the price reaches rupees 100, sellers enter the market and the price moves lower. Now suddenly one day the price moves above rupees 100. It reaches 101, then 102, and maybe even 103. What do most beginner traders think? That is it. The breakout has finally happened. If I don't buy now, I'll miss the entire move. So they immediately enter a buy trade. But just a few minutes later, the price starts falling. It goes back below rupees 100, then 99, after then 98, and suddenly what looked like a perfect breakout turns into a losing trade. So, what went wrong? Was the resistance level wrong? No, absolutely not. The mistake was entering too early. Now let's understand why this happens. Imagine there is a hug sale at your favorite shopping mall. As soon as the doors open, everyone rushes inside. For a few moments, there's excitement everywhere. But after the crowd settles, everything becomes normal again. The market behaves in a very similar way. When price moves above resistance, many retail traders rush to buy. Large institutions know this. Sometimes, while retail traders are buying with excitement, professional traders are booking profits. Retail traders are creating demand while institutions are creating supply. As a result, the price falls back below the breakout level. This is called a fake breakout. Now, here is an important question. Does every breakout fail? Absolutely not. Many breakouts become powerful trends, but not every breakout deserves your money. So, how do professional traders identify stronger breakouts? The answer is confirmation. The first thing to watch is, does the price actually stay above resistance? If the breakout lasts only a few seconds, be careful. Second, watch the trading volume. A breakout supported by strong volume usually has a stronger participation. Weak volume often means weak convictions. Third, look for a retest. Many strong trends begin only after price comeback. Test see hold resistance, turn it into support, and then starts moving higher again. That gives traders additional confidence. Now let's talk about one more mistake. Many traders believe if I enter late, I'll make less money. Professional traders think differently. They believe a correct entry is always better than an early entry because missing one opportunity is never a problem. But taking poor quality trades again and again slowly destroy your trading capital. And even worse, it's destroy your confidence. Always remember, the market opens every day. There will always be another opportunity. You never need to chase the market. The goal of trading is not to catch every move. The goal is to take high quality trades. So the next time you see a breakout, ask yourself three simple questions. Is the price holding above resistance? Is volume supporting the move? Have I received proper confirmation? If the answer is yes, only then should you think about entering. Never trade because of excitement. Trade because of evidence. Remember, successful trading is not about speed, it's about discipline. If you enjoy simple and practical education on finance, investing, and trading, please do subscribe, follow, like, and share. No Chat Finance English. Your support motivates us to continue creating high quality education content. Join our official Telegram channel for daily market preparation, educational, market observations, and my personal trading journey. Because here we believe trading is not gambling, it is about knowledge, discipline, and risk management. No hype, no false promises, just real financial education.